So we offer now, Cloudian for AWS Outposts, which is, exabyte scalable S3 compatible storage that resides right alongside the Outposts in your data center. And this can be either on appliances or software-defined storage on the servers of your choice. So you don't need to use our specific hardware. You can use the hardware that you choose. But the point is, either way, it's in your data center, co-located with the Outpost, so you get that low latency access. And really, the drivers for this are exactly the things that you just said. So, data residency. The data stays in your data center. When it goes from the Outpost to the Cloudian device, that's where it goes. It's not getting replicated elsewhere unless you want it to. You have the ability to replicate it elsewhere. You can use tiering to tier it off to the cloud or to Cloudian at a remote location, but that's configurable. If you want it to just stay in that one place, that's where it is. And then the other piece of this is it works with all of your S3 compatible applications. So exactly what you were just talking about, Joshua, the portability between on-prem and cloud is key, right? The ability to do the same thing in either place. That's what we enable because the S3 compatibility is built in. So some of the use cases for this are exactly the same use cases that you just described. So healthcare and life sciences, up to an exabyte of storage available in your data center means you've got all the room you need, either for health records or for imaging or for genomic research. Those are some of the big drivers of capacity. Big data and analytics. People are collecting massive amounts of information with Amazon EMR, Splunk, Elasticsearch. All of that needs a place to go. And if you need it on-prem, you've got a scalable environment. M&E environments, same thing. Huge, collections of media files. Often people want to keep those media files in a very controlled environment because that is their lifeblood. They want the security is paramount on those, and also fast access is paramount. So having those on-prem for an M&E workload is key. And then you mentioned earlier public sector. Cloudian has the broadest array of security certifications of any storage supplier in object storage. And we offer a feature called Object Lock, which is also available on S3. But that gives you immutable storage in your data center. So your data is protected from encryption by ransomware. Ransomware has been a huge issue for the past year and a half, as we all know. And, I think the ability to protect that data in your own data center using Object Lock functionality is very attractive to a lot of folks, both in the public sector and the private as well.